2002 Chevy Cavalier turn signal, and if it has a cruise control and headlight switch assembly, also known as a combination switch. It's a semi-common problem where the turn signals aren't working right, and or the brake lights, when you step on the brakes, only the center brake light works and the other ones on the sides do not work. That is the case with this car. So when we replace this, just two 7mm bolts. One fits in the hole here, one fits in there. Right there's a bolt on the top. See the two connections. Just want to push down on the tab here to release it. Same with the other one. And this connector is probably optional if you have cruise control. And the other 7mm is right in there. You can drop down this shield. Here's the top I was able to get off. And there's also three 7mm bolts that hold this bottom piece on. Bolts I have held, and then there's holes kind of see on there, so get the bolts out of there, take the top off. I have my 7mm wrench, and then whatever size is underneath 5/16 would probably work too, but I'm a metric guy, so I'm using metric. I was able to get this by hand here. Might use some kind of vice grips or something, soft tooth grabbing device to pull out this tilt wheel handle. Goes through here. And so you can see we have this out. Just be careful when you're tucking this new one in. These are for the horns. That sets right here. Not right inside there. So just be careful when you're putting it in not to break those off. But it should almost pretty much set in there. Sorry that I have to put the camera down and shoot and put it in. That's what I got to do. Now we're just putting this in like this. I did use 2 fingers to start it. And I got it started. That's pretty tight there. Then we'll just tighten up this one. And it's a good idea just to double check everything works before you put it all the way together. And start it up and turn the steering wheel all the way left and right. And make sure the turn signals cancel. You'll be good to go. So like I mentioned, we'll start it up, turn the turn signal on, then we'll see if it cancels. And it does cancel. Do the other side. Yep, and they both cancel out, so we're good to go. The brakes do work. So we can call this job done. This is the top piece, and these two end pieces here. It's actually going to fit in and tuck into there's some notches on the bottom section it's going to fit into. Just turn on my flashlight. See the knob there. Then there's one there, so when you're putting the top piece back in, you see those notches. Tuck it in there. Should snap into place. And put your 7mm screws in. And be good.